Hey guys, just doing a bike check. I have, starting from the top down, I have the all stock front tire, rim, hub is all stock, both of them, front and back. The forks are stock. I am soon to get the either stolen SSLT or SST or something, or the Sunday or Odyssey. Front forks in white. I'm supposed to get the animal handlebars in white. So anyways, the front forks right now, they're stock, black label, which is gay. Black label doesn't even have a bike company. It's dumb. Stock, black label stem, which I'm supposed to get a amber stem off of Vine BMX, and stock handlebars with dance cop and skull candy sticker. Black label repeater grips with white ammo bar ends. The stolen Thermalite PC pedals in white. The Vise cranks, which are stock. The Vise seat, which is all plastic. And I want the what's it called? Shadow Conspiracy, white and black seat. The stolen sprocket, and the Sputnik chain, which is in all white. The headset is stock too, just saying. And the bottom bracket is stock. My bad. The other whole back tire is stock too, so yeah, all that. Just gonna go around my bike. Oh, and I tried to spray paint my valve caps white, but it didn't really work. Suck at spray painting. Here, I'll do a little sound test right here. Hold up. Let me get this thing propped up. I'll just go like this. And that's my Mirraco luxstar updated.